So yes, my people, this thing you know. So in a Kingston, Jamaica, there's a warm to cause. Them I say a temporary employee at a container terminal in Kingston has been arrested in connection with a cache of firearms which were recently seized at his workplace. Giovanni Mackay, 28 years old, of Old Brayton in Portmore, St. Catherine, was yesterday charged with illegally importing firearms and munitions following a formal interview in the presence of his attorney. His arrest followed the seizure of 21 firearms and 791 rounds of ammunition at the container terminal on Tuesday, February the 26th, and Wednesday, February the 27th. According to the police, the weapons were shipped from an address in the United States of America. Mackay is appeared to set in the court on Friday. So what do you think about this, my people? Do you think that Mackay is just a small part of a bigger ring of gun smuggling and weapons and arms dealing in and out of Jamaica and the shores and things, my people? So tell me what you really think, my people. Blessing pound, blessed pound house. You understand? Hit on the real good with the beverage. Out.